Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of high-protein diets. But first, let me ask you, have you ever wondered if eating more protein could be the secret to transforming your health? Well, buckle up, because we're about to uncover the truth. Spoiler alert, it might just blow your mind. What to eat on a high-protein diet? Let's start with the basics. To maximize your protein intake, you need to eat the right foods. And no, I'm not talking about those sad, flavorless protein bars. I'm talking about real, delicious food that makes your taste buds dance. Poultry, chicken and turkey are your best friends. Lean red meat. Think sirloin steak and pork tenderloin. Yes, you can have your steak and eat it too. Seafood. Fish and shellfish are protein powerhouses. Eggs. Whether you like them scrambled, poached, or in an omelet, eggs are a fantastic choice. Dairy. Low-fat Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are top picks. Plant-based, tofu, beans, and seitan are great for vegetarians. Vegetables. Spinach, broccoli, and mushrooms pack a surprising protein punch. Check out our high-protein foods guide linked in the description below for more details. Benefits of a high-protein diet. Now, let's talk benefits. Eating more protein can do wonders for your health, and I'm not just saying that because I'm a nutritionist. Here's the scoop. Weight loss. Protein-rich meals help you feel full and satisfied, which means you'll naturally eat less and lose weight. It's like magic, but backed by science. Muscle maintenance. Want to keep those gains? A high-protein diet supports muscle mass, which is essential for overall health and metabolism. Blood sugar control. Increased protein intake can help lower blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. 4. If you have diabetes or pre-diabetes, this could be a game changer. 5. Bone health. Higher protein intake may improve bone health and reduce the risk of fractures, especially in older adults. How much protein do you need? Here's where it gets interesting. You might need more protein than you think. On a high-protein diet, aim for the following. Women, 30 to 40 grams of protein per meal. Men, 35 to 50 grams of protein per meal. For reference, 3.5 ounces of cooked chicken breast, seafood, or lean meat provides about 30 grams of protein, roughly the size of a deck of cards. Boost your protein intake at breakfast with egg whites in your omelets and enjoy high-protein snacks like zero-sugar jerky or dry roasted edamame. We offer a variety of delicious, easy-to-prepare high-protein recipes. Some of my favorites include keto fried chicken with broccoli and butter and sheet pan teriyaki salmon with vegetables. Simple snacks like plain non-fat Greek yogurt with berries or chopped apple are also great options. Quick recap. 1. High-protein foods. Choose seafood, lean meats, low-fat dairy, eggs, beans, tofu, and vegetables. 2. Health benefits. Potential weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and maintenance of bone and muscle mass. 3. Daily protein intake. Women should aim for 30 to 40 grams per meal, men for 35 to 50 grams per meal. Make sure you also consume adequate amounts of vegetables as part of your meal. Now here's the controversial part. Is a high-protein diet safe? The short answer, yes, for most people. But let's dive deeper. In the past, some experts claimed that eating a lot of protein might harm your kidneys. But guess what? Recent studies have debunked this myth, showing that high-protein diets are safe for those with normal kidney function. In fact, higher protein intake may even improve bone health. However, if you have kidney or liver disease, consult your doctor before making dietary changes. I've personally followed a high-protein diet for 6 months, and I've seen improvements in weight, body composition, and overall health markers. At CompleteBodyCleanse.org, we're here to help you succeed with a high-protein diet. Unlock the secrets to a healthier, slimmer you. Discover powerful fat-burning techniques, effective weight loss strategies, and wellness tips that truly work. Click the link below to transform your journey today.